Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Flatulato the Gas Potato by request from Mr. Jack. Well, there you go, all the pencils there. And now we're going in with the Pigma Micron. This is a number 8, and almost all of this is going to be an 8. And then there's a 3 for the smaller lines here. Just putting some finishing touches on here. That'll bring us to the end of another video. I had a good time with this internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.